Festival mangga terlengkap se-India Raya, ada puluhan jenis mangga.
Wait a minute!
Mangga apa ini? Kok belang-belang?
It's just an exhibition.
Oh, okay. So this is my first time see like mango like
Yes,
this.
ma'am. My also.
Oh, really?
Me also. Me
Oh, wow. Wow. This is only for
Display.
display. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
And maybe if you are planning to stay late, like around 10 o'clock, we'll have a sale for these mangoes.
Oh.
As per my information.
Okay. Wow. That's pretty huge mango over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
We have this mango as well. Kampula. You can see this one.
Oh my God. Mashallah.
You can
So
touch this.
it's real mango?
Yeah, they're all real mangoes.
Wow. So big. This also. All I know is just Kesar mango, Alfonso, that's all. Yeah.
And the most expensive mango we hear is Tommy Atkins.
This is the most expensive?
Yes, ma'am. Tommy Atkins.
Wow. Why is it expensive?
Ma'am, that too I don't know about that.
Okay. Oh, because
I'm
it's
just a volunteer.
Originally from India or?
Yes, ma'am. All mangoes are from India,
Oh wow.
from different states.
Oh wow, yeah.
But all these mangoes are from a particular farm, which that place grows about 500 types of varieties of mango there.
Oh, okay. Wow. Nice. Thank you for your explanation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.